Kani, dapat makabalo ta sa vowels and consonants. Now, we have 5 vowels. So, we have A, E, I, O, U. So, please remember, i-review po natin na sa itong mga bata, what are the 5 vowels we have? So, a vowel is a sound made by sending air out of the mouth without closing your mouth or moving the parts of your mouth. Like, letter sound na muginan mo, di ba? Ang A, A. So, wala siya ng baba. So, those are the 5 vowels. Now, we have the consonants. So, the rest atong 25 minus 5 at 26 minus 5. So, we have 21 consonants. So, let's go to syllables. By the way, there are many kinds of syllables, pero karon duha lang ato ang studyhan. So, first, we have closed syllables. Isa man siya. Closed syllables can only have one vowel. The vowel is followed by one or more consonants. The vowel sound is short. Again, how many vowels we have? Bilang ka vowels na ata? 5. Okay. So, sa closed syllable, na ay isa ka vowel. So, consonant, vowel, consonant. So, imo na siyang tumaon. That is the syllable. For example, kani, di ba H kay consonant niya, ang nasa tunga kay vowel A, T, followed by another consonant. So, basahan mo natin ni sabay-sabay. Hat, sabay-sabay. Okay, so that is a one syllable. Kay consonant, vowel, consonant. So, one syllable, and ginatawag na siya nga closed syllable. Kay nasa tunga ang iyang consonant. Ay nasa tunga ang iyang vowel. Okay. So, next, another example, we have cat. We have, net na siya, net. We have sit, dog, and dog. So, they have only one syllable. So, dog. Pwede po pag-count o syllable, pwede na niyo gamitan pag kamot. Count. Dog. One vowel. Net. Isa ka syllable. So, that is the closed syllable. Next, we have the open syllable. So, what is open syllable? Open syllable has only one vowel. The vowel is the last letter in the syllable. The vowel sound is long. So, kung saan siya? For example, di ba kay ang closed, consonant, vowel, consonant. Ang open kay consonant, vowel, and then nanaboy musunod. Like musunod. Ariane, the vowel is long. Like apron. Apron. Ako na ang vowel. Dash, ron. So, how to count the syllable? So, apron. So, duha siya ang syllable. So, next, we have even. Even siya. Even. High. Robot. Robot. Ano? Music. Naubos man akong si Uy. Okay.